It's not a licensed tire, but it looks really scale. I really like the look of it. Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC. Welcome to the next part of this TWS VTR Kit build series. And in this part of the series, we are going to cover the wheels and tires. This is going to be a pretty short part of the build series since it's just mounting up the wheels and tires. But anyway, we'll go with whatever is stock first, and any upgrades will come later. Now the VTR kit does come with a set of 5 wheels and tires. And it also comes with these interesting foams. They're like gears, look like gears actually. So very interesting foams. I'll be using these stock foams for now. I'm pretty sure they'll be okay since these tires are pretty small. But yep, these are the stock foams. As far as the wheels and tires, they are glue-on tires, so I won't be gluing the tires onto these wheels because I'd prefer to use bead locks. But here is the tire. It is a it's not a licensed tire, but it looks really scale. I really like the look of these tires. They look really nice, and they're like the perfect size for this kind of small 1/10 scale rig in the manner of Tamiya and MST, CMX, CFX, the CC01, CC02 from Tamiya, and this rig right here. So really nice looking tire tread. Nice looking sidewall, pretty scale. I really like the look of them. For step 5-10, you'll need the 5 foams, the 5 tires. It does come with 5. One is a spare. You'll need these 4 wheel hexes, 4 pins for the wheel hexes, and 4 M4 lock nuts. Alright, let's just go ahead and stuff the foam in the tires first. Even though I won't be using these wheels, we'll go ahead and just mount it up. Been thinking about what kind of wheels I want to use for these. I think I'm going to go with some steelies. I think it should look really nice. But we'll see. So the foams are fairly soft. I think I might actually want to put some kind of inner ring or something to make it a little bit stiffer. We'll see. I guess I'll have to drive it. I mean, this rig isn't really heavy overall, but it might be good to kind of check out what it can actually do, or what these tires can actually do. But I can see myself potentially getting some Crawler Innovations foams for these. I think they would probably be the only one that has a certain size like this. I really do hope these tires do well though, because they look like, again, they look really nice. Love the way they look. Right. All the tires are mounted up. Wheels and tires are mounted up. Take a look. So, short and sweet. That completes this part of the TWS VTR Kit build series. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future updates. Thanks for watching.